Welcome to Historygram, the Windows software that allows you to download historical messages from a group you've just entered. So if you just entered a group and missed out on all the action and you need to download the videos, images, texts, voice, MP3, whatever it is, this is the software you've been looking for. You can download it for free here, and then you'll find yourself with the software open over here. In order to get started, you're going to need to authenticate with Telegram. To do this, you're going to have to create an app within the Telegram website. So you click on this website and it will take you to this page where you need to enter your phone number, including the international dialing code. So make sure you enter that with the plus and then your dialing code, and then you'll see the next screen. Once you've entered your phone number, you need to put the confirmation code you just got to Telegram. Now that means you do have to be inside Telegram to see this code over here. So I'm going to enter mine, click remember me, and then sign in. Now just a quick tip, it's case sensitive. So enter the letters exactly as they appear in the Telegram message. After this, you need to click on this button here, API Development Tools. And over here, you are going to get an ability to create a new application. Now, the whole point of this is just to get the API ID. So you can really write anything in here. You can just write AI tool or anything you want, anything you can think of, AI translate, whatever you could just be creative here. AI tool, and you can give it a short name, tool. And then you don't have to put a URL, you just put Windows here, desktop, and AI tool here, and then create application. Oh, it has to be 5 characters. So do AI tool, and then create application. There we go. So we've got all the information we need now. And then you can save credentials and then log in using your regular phone number. So once you've entered your API ID and API hash, you can then click on phone login and log in with your phone number. You'll type your phone number here, send verification code. Then you'll get a verification code to Telegram. You need to go into Telegram again, verify, and that's it. You're good to go, ready to get started downloading historical messages from groups. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.